look, I mean, the idea that McConnell and Pelosi are talking is an important idea, and it indicates some real progress. And take a look at this quote. We have it on a full screen for you. The quote from McConnell yesterday. He said, "We're both interested in getting an outcome." Now, that seems like bland talk, but in Washington speak, what that means is we're actually talking. So that's an encouraging sign. The idea here is that there's a $908 billion deal that's out there that's potentially doable with only about $300 to $350 billion in new money. A lot of the money in this deal could come from reappropriated or reauthorized CARES Act funding, PPP funding that wasn't spent, and the rest now redirected toward other targets. Less clear is the prospect for a spending bill by the end of the year, but ultimately we've got a number of different sort of spending cliffs here. There's this Defense Authorization Act, which the president was tweeting about last night. That's a $740 billion bill that's a must pass for the defense industry. That the president is now threatening to veto if it doesn't include a provision rolling back Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act regarding social media, which is unrelated to the defense bill entirely. The president wants it in there. Republicans and Democrats on Capitol Hill say no. The president now says he'll veto that defense bill. And then, of course, we've got a spending bill fight between now and the end of the year. But it does look like we're inching closer now to some more deal making, really, on this idea of a relief bill. The question is, where is that going to land? What are the details? A lot of unknowns here. Joe Biden, the president-elect, seems to have really moved this debate along this week by signaling earlier in the week that he wanted a deal before he takes office. That pushed Democrats back to the table, and it seems to have broken the logjam a little bit, and we'll see where it goes, Joe.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.